Hi friends, good afternoon. Yesterday I put a video on HPCL, and today we are going to discuss about Z and as well as Reliance, because Reliance is having a mega day on 18th based on astrology, and it has a major trend change date on 15th. So we are going to discuss about how Reliance is going to perform on 18th. Plus we are going to discuss something on Z, which showing a very interesting pattern. First, we will go with a number game, and then we'll go into technicals. Okay, so now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, yeah. See, based on a number game, above 196. Okay, this guy has to touch 225, which he has done yesterday. Okay, 2 days before itself, he has done 225. Above 225, this guy has to do this target, which is 357. And from 1996, he is short of 132 points on the from the closing of 225. So the Z ultimate target is 357. Okay. So now we will go to technicals and see how it looks on the charts. Okay, this is Z on a day candle. Okay, so now the stock is above the cloud, number one, and it is above the baseline. Okay, and this conversion line yesterday, it closed below the conversion line. So, but the solid support is here, which is 220 level, and this black color line is 200-day simple moving average, which is at roughly around 184 level. So on a day candle, it is above the cloud, and the cloud is bullish, which is blue color. Okay, so this guy looks good. And coming to weekly, so this is inside the cloud, and it is above the conversion line, and it is above the baseline, which is the blue color line. And the lagging span is not having that much problem to reach till here, which is 275. So till here, there is no obstruction at all to touch this 275 level. And if you go to monthly, yes, it is facing resistance at 237 level. That is why whenever it touched, it came down, because this is a 200 SMA of monthly. So it is facing resistance, but it is moved above the conversion line. Okay, it is moved above the conversion line, which is actually good. So now we will go a little deep into Z and then check how it is working on Astro. Okay, so now on January 2021, the important Astro date is 1st January 2021. The 1st January 2021 high is 226.25 and the low is 223. So above 226.25 it is bullish. Below 223 we need to avoid buying. Okay, I can go short also here. And based on trend line, okay, so if I take a trend line from here, it is facing resistance here, and it is able to it went tried above, going above this trend line, but unfortunately, because this is the major astro date, this is a mega astro date for Z, which is on 8th Jan. On 8th Jan, it made a high of 236.85, and I've already mentioned here is big astro day is 8th June. So once it is able to close above this astro day I, which is 8th Jan I 237, this guy is ready to fly for 357. Okay, so now you need to buy above 226.25 whenever it close above, and the stop loss is only 3 rupees, 223. But if it close below 223, please avoid buying in this share. You need to buy only above this level. For a positional buy, you can take a positional buy about 237.8. Sorry, 236.85. You can take it as 237. So the same target applies here also. Once it breaks above, like HPCL, once it breaks above 237, The target is 254 and 297 and 333. Okay, and the stop loss is 223, which is only 3 rupees. And if I do pitchfork here, okay, so it is well above this median line, and it is facing resistance based on angle. This angle is giving a lot of resistance here, and once it breaks this angle line, which is 233, if it close above 233, it is good to go to this angle, which is roughly around 277. So any close above 233, 234 level, the possibility of 15% on the upside in Z. And my ultimate target, which I've already told you on the number game, which is 350. One second. Yeah, it is 357. Okay, so 357 is the target. So looking good. You can take a chance in this. The stop loss is only 3 rupees. Only if it moves above 226. Right? Now we will go and see Reliance. See, Reliance, if you see, I've already told you 6th was the major astro date for this year, and 15th is another astro day, and 18th is the mega day, which is coming tomorrow, right? So now you can buy above this high. See, I've already mentioned 1974 is a very important Vedic number. So it is every time when it goes to 1974, it comes down. See, 1, 2, 3. Even yesterday, it went to the high of 1973.8. From there, again, it closed below. So any upside breakout above 1974, and it is crossing the trend line also, then this guy is high chance to touch 2351. So now above 1974, the targets of 2016, 2115, 2027, and 2351. Okay, and the stop loss is, you can take a minimum stop loss of this one, which is 1920 as a stop loss, which is the 15th low as the stop loss as of now, and the positional stop loss is 1905, which is the low of 6th January. And see, whenever it made the third triangle, whenever it makes a third triangle, it will break on the upper side. But we need to watch, because 18th is a mega day. But when it closed below this number, which is this astro day low, which is 6th Jan low, 1905.15, and the trend line also is sitting there, then this guy is high probably to touch 1830, 1741, and 1686. So Reliance is in very, very crucial zone, and market is also, Nifty also is in very crucial zone. So let's see what is going to happen on 18th. Whether Reliance is going to break above and then take the Nifty up, or it is going to bring down the market. And HDFC has given a good set of number. We need to watch how market is going to do on Monday. Thanks a lot. Already I've posted a video on HPCL, and this is the video on Z as well as Reliance. Thanks a lot. Bye.